Hi, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Educational Specialist, and today we are going over a 7th grade math test prep problem. The math concept required to solve this problem is multiple step word problems. We're going to be using our 4-pane strategy. First thing, top left hand corner, finding out what I'm looking for. On the top right hand corner, we're going to try to figure out what answers we can eliminate. Bottom left hand, we want to see what plan or strategy we can use in order to solve our problem. And on the bottom right hand side, we're going to work our problem out. So let's look at our problem. It reads, 3 students compared the number of hours they each studied for a test. The number of hours that Mary studied was 2 less than the number of hours that Jackie studied. The number of hours that Jackie studied was 4 more than the number of hours that Veronica studied. Veronica studied 4 hours. Based on this information, we're trying to find out which statement is true. Is it A, Jackie studied 1 hour because 4 minus 3 is equal to 1? Is it B, Mary studied 5 hours because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5? Is it C, Veronica studied 2 hours more than Mary because 4 minus 2 is equal to 2? Or is it D, Jackie, Mary, and Veronica studied a total of 9 hours because 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9? We're going to add our window pane strategy to it. So let's look at the first top left hand corner. What am I looking for in this problem? Based on the information, we're trying to figure out which statement is true about the number of hours the girls studied. Now, let's look at, is there any answer choices I can eliminate? Well, based on the information that I was given, I believe that I can eliminate A, Jackie studied 1 hour. Why is that? Because in the second point it says the number of hours that Jackie studied was 4 more than the number of hours that Veronica studied. So Jackie couldn't have studied only 1 hour because she studied 4 more hours than Veronica. We're going to strike out A because we know that that cannot be one of our answer choices. Even though we're not able to eliminate anything else right now, we're going to always, as you're working out the problem, see if there are any answer choices you can eliminate so that you can work it all the way down in order to find the correct answer. The strategy we're going to use in order to solve this problem is to tabulate or figure out how many hours each person studied. So first, we know that Veronica studied 3 hours. It's already given. Let's look at how many hours Jackie studied. The information says Jackie studied 4 more hours than Veronica. Since Veronica studied 3 hours, that means 3 plus the 4 more hours Jackie studied is equal to 7 hours. Again, 3 hours plus 4 hours is equal to 7 hours. So we know that Jackie studied 7 hours. Now I'm going to go back up to my elimination pane to see if there's any other answer choices I can eliminate to help me figure out what the correct answer is. And yes, I can. I can eliminate C because it says that Veronica studied 2 more hours than Mary because 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Well, we were told in the information that Veronica studied 3 hours. We know it wasn't 4 hours, so we can eliminate answer choice C. We also can eliminate answer choice D because in answer choice D it states that Jackie studied 2 hours, and we know that's not correct because when we tabulated the problem, we know that Jackie studied 7 hours, so we're able to eliminate D as well. The only answer choice I have left is B. Mary studied 5 hours because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. But let's keep working the problem out just to make sure that that answer choice is correct. In the information given, it says the number of hours that Mary studied was 2 less than the number of hours that Jackie studied. Okay, we know that Jackie studied 7 hours, and we're going to subtract, because it says less than, that means we're going to subtract 7 hours minus 2 hours is equal to 5 hours. That means our answer choice B is correct. I also want to go over another strategy you can use in order to solve this problem. Sometimes whenever you're taking an assessment or a student is taking an assessment, they may not remember the strategies or the tips that can help them eliminate answers. So let's see how we would work out this problem in order to get the answer. Here's the problem again. Now, our second strategy that we're going to use in order to tackle this problem, we're going to find out what we're looking for, and also we're going to focus on the information that we know. Again, we're going to find out what we're looking for, and also we're going to focus on the information we know. What are we looking for? Again, we're looking for what statement is true concerning the young lady's study hours. Now let's look at what information we know. First, we know that Veronica studied 3 hours. We also know again that Jackie studied 7 hours because in the information given it says that Jackie studied 4 more hours than Veronica. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Also, the information that we know is Mary studied 2 hours less than Jackie. Since we know that Jackie studied 7 hours, we're going to subtract 2 hours from 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 hours. So Mary studied 5 hours. Based on the information we know, let's look at answer choice A. Well, we know based on the information that we have that Jackie studied 7 hours, not 1 hour, so we can cross out A. Let's look at answer choice B. Mary studied 5 hours. Well, that is correct because 3 plus 4, that's 3 hours that Veronica studied, plus the 4 hours that Jackie studied, the 4 more hours Jackie studied is equal to 7. And then we took the number of hours that Jackie studied, which is 7, subtracted 2 hours from it, and that is equal to 5 hours. So this